Welcome back. Just to summarize, in the first part of the cookie tutorial, we learned how to create cookies, how to give an expiry date to the cookie, how to print out specific cookies. Using this command here, we also learned how to print out every cookie that we had stored. So assuming that we have created these cookies, the next thing I'll do is use a specific cookie here that I have created to check whether it does exist or not. To do so, we will use a function called isSet. This basically returns a true or false value depending on whether something is set or not. For example, a cookie. I'll put a $sign then underscore cookie. I'll put name in here. So if I read this out in English language, then I'll say if the cookie name is set, then we say echo cookie is set. Otherwise, we will echo out to the user that cookie is not set. Assuming that I have set my cookie and everything is working, when I refresh this, I'll get the message that the cookie is set. Now I'll teach you how to unset a cookie. So let's say over here, just before our if statement, I wish to unset my cookie. So unset a cookie. So just to name one, I'll unset this cookie. Presuming that if you learn to unset this one, you can unset this one too. So I'll unset this name cookie. So to unset, we use the same command, and that's set cookie. So we are resetting a cookie. This doesn't seem to make any sense, but it will soon. Now we will set the cookie name to nothing and the expiry date here. I'll create a new one with exp unset, and that is gonna equal to the time minus 86,400. Here we set plus, which meant that the time is in the future. Now by setting the cookie to this variable which represents a time in the future, we are actually unsetting the cookie. So if I were to say set a cookie that already exists called name to no value at all, and use exp unset variable to set it to a time in the future, thereby unsetting a cookie. So I'll get rid of this code for now and run this page. Okay? Nothing has happened, presuming my cookie is unset. Now I want to get rid of this code, so I'll comment this out. And I'll put my if statement back into the page. Now presuming this says, is the cookie set name? I'm going to unset the cookie, which should get the result, cookie is not set. Let's refresh, and we got cookie is not set. And then from here you can set it again if you like, and you can change the values of the cookie. To change the value of a cookie, you'll have to use set cookie command again. You'll say set cookie name, and here just type a new value. So it's not hard to work with cookies. It's quite an easy process, and it's a very useful thing in PHP. So use it to your heart's content. Okay? Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is Ivan Verkey dubbing for Spoken Tutorial Project.